Tundra TRD Pro 2025. We're about to build it from the ground up. 20-inch wheels with 35 Predator tires, hard folding tonneau cover by TonnoFlip, door visors, electric power steps by TonnoFlip, interior floor aligners, bed mat, and all protection that you need for the Tundra TRD Pro by TonnoFlip. Now, I'm gonna try to fit these 35 tires with 20-inch wheels on this Tundra TRD Pro. Let's see if I can do it. Maybe I'm gonna have to trim a little bit up here, take out the mud flaps, but I'm gonna make it happen. All right, guys, now we're gonna be installing the bed mat, the bed extender, the interior floor aligners. As you can see, we already installed the hard folding tonneau cover, TFP door visors, electric style steps by TonnoFlip as well, 20-inch wheels and tires, 35 by 1250, 20 with fuel wheels, Predator tires. We're about to be finished with this installation, guys. Stay here. Here we have the TonnoFlip bed extender. As you can see, we have different parts here. We're gonna be assembling it now, so you can see how easy you can install this bed extender. Look at this, TFP bed extender. If you're gonna carry something here that doesn't shift forward, also the bed extender is gonna help you with that. Once it's installed, I'm gonna show you the whole operation and the advantages of having the TonnoFlip bed extender. You get a full set of instructions here with drawings, so you can install these by yourself. But if you prefer, we're gonna have a lot of videos here in our YouTube channel on each pickup truck, so you can install this easily at home. Not just an online store, guys. We've been doing this for 7 years with TonnoFlip. Every pickup truck in Puerto Rico has these products. Now we're bringing it nationwide to the United States. TonnoFlip.com. Remember, don't go nowhere else, guys. This is TonnoFlip. Now the bed extender is assembled. We're gonna be installing it on the brackets here. As you can see, we just pop it in there to secure it on both sides, and we should be good to go. Very easy installation, guys. As you can see, it only takes 1 minute to install. Now he's protecting the bed against scratches. And another advantage, I'm gonna show you this real quick so you can see. Let's say you have this item here, right? And you're moving. Now it's not shifting forward because you have the bed mat, right? If you didn't have the bed mat, look what happens. Throw it in there and it's moving forward. Because it's made of rubber, it's gonna protect your truck, plus your items are not gonna shift forward. Now we're gonna be installing the interior floor liners. First of all, I'm gonna make a comparison here so you can see the differences. This is a TRD Pro and already has the all-weather interior mats made of rubber. But let me show you something real quick here. We have the factory one and we have the TonnoFlip one, right? Whatever spills here is gonna get your floor wet. Now, when you have the TonnoFlip interior mats, you get all protection here, and the liquid, whatever is in there, is gonna stay here. You just take it out, wash it. Very easy installation. Using the factory clips here, you put it in here, you twist it. Now you get full protection. It's covering the whole floor here. The corners, the front, everything. Now again, if you spill anything here, it's gonna stay in the mat. You just take it out and that's it. Now the rear mats, I'm gonna show you too, but the main difference we have here, again, the same thing, flat. So anything that spills here is getting out. With the TonnoFlip interior floor liners, you're not gonna have that problem because look at the way they're made, raised edges, so everything is gonna stay in place, right? Easy installation. You just throw it in here and that's it, guys. It only takes about 3 minutes to do the installation of these mats. As you can see, it's covering everything here from the corners, the center here is going underneath the seat as well, raised edges so nothing spills on the floor. Full protection with the TonnoFlip interior floor liners, all weather mats, and that's it. Fully protected with TonnoFlip. Now let's install the driver's side. Again, I'm gonna be comparing both of them so you can see the difference here. With the TonnoFlip floor liners, you also use the factory clips here. Look at this. Showing you again the differences. So you can see, guys, of course, the TonnoFlip floor liners look a lot better. Better style, raised edges. It keeps your floor dry. If you spill anything here, again, very easy installation with the factory clips here. Just put it in there. The factory clips, you twist it. Twist the other side here. Put them in place like this. Again, covering the whole floor, everything, front, center, back, raised edges. Now we have this Tundra fully protected. Now we're gonna be taking this truck outside so I can show you all the accessories we have installed on this Toyota Tundra so you can see the operation and all that. TonnoFlip, guys, not just any online store. We live through this. We do trucks every single day, guys. We know the product, we know what people want, we know the needs. This is why TonnoFlip was born 7 years ago. Now we're taking it to the States. So everybody in the world knows what TonnoFlip is. This is the final product, guys. I want you to see this beauty right here. Don't look at me. Look at this Tundra TRD Pro 2025, fully built with TonnoFlip accessories. I'm gonna show you the bed first. All we did here to protect this Tundra. First of all, we have the hard folding tonneau cover. As you can see here, as you know, there is no cables here. We have handles, one on each side, two on each panel, so you can operate it easily. Look at this, one hand operation. I'm a short guy, so if I can do it, anyone can operate this tonneau cover. We have two prop rods here. As you can see, not any prop rod, not some weak prop rods. Look at these sturdy and very hard prop rods that will not allow your cover to fall down while you're driving. That means you can drive with the cover fully open, even at highway speeds. Come over here. I'm gonna show you something else. We have the bed mat. Why would you need a bed mat? A lot of people is asking me this. Well, if you don't wanna get your bed scratched in a brand new truck like this one, you wanna carry stuff freely and your stuff does not shift forward, you get the TonnoFlip bed mat. It's made of rubber, so anything you have here is not gonna shift forward so easily. Plus, we have this. I want you to see this. A lot of people don't know what is this. This is a bed extender, guys. What is a bed extender? Well, if you're carrying anything longer than your bed, right? You get all this extra space here, so nothing is gonna fall off the bed. When you have the TonnoFlip bed extender, anything you have here is not gonna shift forward. You don't wanna be reaching stuff like this, right? You get the TonnoFlip bed extender. Look at this. Nice looking accessories that you can install at home, and with the videos we have on this channel, we're gonna be uploading every day. It's just easy, very easy to install. Look, we're gonna be closing the tailgate here, right? We're gonna be closing the tonneau cover as well, so you can see how flush it sits on your bed. 100% access to your bed. I want you to see this because a lot of people is asking me, what about the cabin? Well, it's not gonna get any damage because we have 3 bumper stoppers here, which gonna prevent the cover from hitting the cabin. So this is a very secure tonneau cover. It's been proven. We've been installing these tonneau covers for 7 years, over 50,000 installs here in Puerto Rico. Now we're bringing it to the States. Look at this. Very easy operation. You just close it and it sits flush on your truck. Plus, this tonneau cover holds up to 800 pounds of weight on top of it. Another accessory we have installed on this Tundra is the TFP door visors. Take a look at these door visors and think about the door visors that you ever seen in your life. These are the only ones that are gonna look so flush. Look at this, perfect fitment, blacked out. It's looking aggressive, not any bulky door visors like you've seen before. Nice, clean, aggressive look. I love these door visors. I'm gonna explain something to you about the door visors. This is not just to look great. Look at this. We're gonna roll the windows down a little bit and now your truck can breathe. If it's raining, there is no water coming in. The door visors are gonna prevent any water from coming in. Plus, you can have your truck with the windows open like this, and then your truck can breathe. If you're in an environment like Puerto Rico where there is a lot of sun, a lot of people like to leave the doors open like this, so when they get into the car it's not so hot. Well, you can do so with the TFP door visors. It's not just only to look good and to give it a more aggressive look, it actually has a purpose. Another very important thing, guys, don't forget about protecting your interior. Look at this, the TonnoFlip floor liners. As you can see, we're covering the whole floor, the sides, the front, the back with the raised edges we have here. Any liquid spilled in here is gonna stay on the mat, and then you take it out, dry it out, put it back in, and that's it. Now, I'm gonna be showing you the back real quick. Look at this, protecting the whole floor, the center console, the sides, everything here. You can even see that our mat goes underneath the seat here with a raised edge here. Like I said, any liquid in here is gonna stay in place. You take it out and then no damage to your truck. The best protection. Let me show you the other side real quick so you can see the fitment of these interior floor liners. Look at the passenger side here. As you can see, perfect fitment on this Toyota Tundra. Everything is covered with our TonnoFlip interior floor liners. These floor liners are made of TPE, not so easy to scratch. They do not smell. A lot of interior mats be having that weird smell, not with the TonnoFlip. You can smell it and it smells like new. Perfect fitment, no smelling, raised edges. What else are you looking for? TonnoFlip is here, guys. You're gonna be able to get all these products in our website, TonnoFlip.com. Remember, we're gonna be making videos every day so you can see our products, you can know the product. We've been selling these for 7 years in Puerto Rico. Now we bring it in nationwide in the United States. This is it, guys. Look at this beauty right here. If you like pickup trucks, this is gonna be your channel, TonnoFlip. Remember, subscribe to this channel if you like truck mods. TonnoFlip.